Hello everyone. In this video, we will take an overview look at the Testi app. The main job of the app is to monitor driving test centers and look for changes in booking availability. It keeps an eye on your chosen test center and checks if someone has canceled their test or if new slots have been added. This way you can increase your chances of finding an earlier test without wasting time or stress refreshing your browser many times a day. The app works in real time so you can quickly react when an earlier date becomes available. Even in the free version, you can use the app to keep an eye on your test center and be ready to change dates when you need to. Many users find this helpful because waiting for a driving test can take months, and cancellations are often taken quickly by other learners. Now let's briefly talk about the premium version. With Testi Premium, you get instant alerts when a new slot shows up, so you don't have to keep checking the app. It also allows you to monitor more than one test center at the same time and removes ads from the app. These features make it easier and faster to book an earlier test, especially if you are flexible about where you take it. In simple terms, Testi saves you energy and time by doing the search work for you. Thanks for watching.